Dan makes mango jam. Short A sound. Django Dan is an old man. Today he will make some mango jam. This is his pal, Val. Together, they buy mangoes in a bag. "There go the mangoes into a pan," says Val. "And there goes the sugar," says Dan. They clap and they dance around the pan. "Oh, Django Dan, you dance too much," says Val. "Isn't that your hat in the pan of jam? Open the tap and wash the hat. Clean the jam that fell on the mat." Django Dan is now angry and sad. But Val has a great plan. He ran and brought him 2 cans of mango jam. Let's recall now. Django Dan, an old man. Val, mangoes, bag. Mango jam. Tap, hat, mat. Angry man, sad man.